Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do this makeup look for Valentine's Day. What do you think? This makeup look, I think it's very beautiful, very romantic for Valentine's Day. And I use this palette here. So to do this makeup look, I used affordable makeup, drugstore makeup. And I think you can find every product I show you today in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up, do you like this video, this video or this makeup look or this tutorial, and enjoy this tutorial. My eyebrows, it's done, and today I'm going to do a beautiful makeup for Valentine's Day. What do you think? And I'm going to use drugstore makeup. I'm going to use this palette here. This is the Morphe Madison Bear. It's a very beautiful palette and it's very neutral. As you can see, it's beautiful. I'll use this product here. As you know, I love it. It's very beautiful. It's perfect, it's very cheap, so you can use this or you can use your concealer. You don't need to buy this one. I'm going to start use this this shade here. It's a pink, soft pink, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow. I'm going to use this shade in my crease, outer crease. First you need to deposit the shadow and next you are blending. Now I'm going to blending with this cleaning brush. Now I'm going to apply this one. This part of here, this is the on the corner, I want clean because I'm going to apply some light shadow. So this part over here I want darker. Now I'm going to use the pencil brush. First I'm going to apply this shadow here. It's a brown shadow, and okay, maybe it's working. Now I'm going to blending this shadow with my other shadows, and look at this. Looks so beautiful. I love it, this look. It's a very simple look, but it's beautiful. I'm going to do some my eyeliner with eyeshadow. I'm not going to use liquid eyeliner. I'm going to do with my black eyeshadow, and I'm going to use a eyeliner brush. Some like this. It's a very tiny eyeliner brush. Usually this is the normal, this one is a normal brush, and this is the brush I'm going to use. I prefer this one for this one. This one is too big, and this one it's more easy to work. I'm going to use this one. When I do my eyeliner, I need to open my eyes. Don't close, don't push, no. You need to open your eyes, look straight for your mirror, and do baby step. So I'm going to take this brush here. This is a Putty eye blending, and I'm going to blending my eyeliner. First I'm going to apply this one here. Is a creamy, is a light shadow. I'm going to apply here on my corner. And now I'm going to apply shimmer shade, and I'm going to apply this one. This one is so beautiful. I did the swatch. You see, it's a topper shimmer shade. It's so beautiful. You see, it's very beautiful. I'm going to apply here. And this is my makeup look for Valentine's Day. I think it's beautiful. It's easy. I don't use too much eyeshadow. The eyeliner is optional, but I think it's beautiful. I'm going to do this eye off camera and I will be back. So this is the makeup look. Now I'm going to apply some lashes. I'm going to apply this one here. This is the brand Eldora, and I'm going to use these lashes. Looks beautiful. I'm going to try the first time these lashes. My lashes is done. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Look at these lashes. Love it. See? It's very beautiful lashes. So my lashes is done. It's very beautiful. For my skin, I'm going to use products for Drugstore, as I said when I started the video. First, I have this one here. This is the brand for Body Collection. I think you can see. Yes, you can see Body Collection. This is basically, this is the tint of moisturizing. So my skin doesn't look very good for use this. I'm going to apply some concealer of my spot for more coverage. Now my spot is coverage, and I'm going to apply this product here. I don't know, it's good. Oh, the coverage it's high. I buy the shade one, is the light shade, but I think it's very dark for me. This is the 01 light, and I think it's dark. So and other thing, I think this is too dark for light shade. You can see my face and my neck. I think it's too dark. Yes, this is light shade. Why is too dark? But I don't like this. Let's continue. Let's do it. So I'm going to apply concealer. I'm sorry, I don't understand why this shade light is so dark. As you can see, it's dark. This doesn't make sense. So my bronzer, cream bronzer, I'm going to use this one. This is the W7 Bronze CHIC. It's very good. It's a dupe for Chanel bronzer. Yes, this one is a dupe. For my cream blush, I'm going to use this one. This is E.L.F Puffy Blush. This shade is Turkey. It's very beautiful. Look at this shade. It's a peachy shade. It's very beautiful. For my powder, I'm going to use this one. This is the Nabla Close-up. This shade Translucent. I'm going to apply my powder with this. This is the puff powder. And guys, it's amazing. For me, it's perfect. I love it. So first I take some powder, and next I'm going to press of my hand. Look the difference. Look at this one and look at this one. This one is so more flawless. I love this powder. It's very good. Now, powder products. So for my bronzer, I'm going to use this one. This one is for Fusion Formula Butter Bronzer, shade bronzer. I'm not going to apply too much bronzer. And for my blush, I love this blush. This is the Incense, the blush, the shade 10. I love this color. Look at this color. It's very beautiful. Oh, yeah. I have a lot of blush in my collection. I love it. I love blush. I love. And for my highlight, I'm going to use this one. This is the Wet n Wild. Yes, this is the Precision highlight. Look at this shade. So beautiful. You see, look at this flower. So this is it. I hope you enjoy this video. Do you like it, this video? Do you like it, this makeup tutorial and my opinion about the product I used today? So my opinion about this, I don't like it. Maybe I'm going to like it in the summer, because the summer I'm going to a little bit tan, but now the shade light, it's too dark for me, and now I like it when my skin looks, because I use my concealer first, so the coverage it's good, but this one alone, I don't know. I think I'm not going to like it because the coverage is very light. I don't like it. I like the medium coverage. I like medium coverage because I have spots of my skin, so I like medium coverage. Tell me, what do you think about this makeup look? Do you like it? You don't like it? Tell me everything. I need to know. Yeah, you know. So, tell me everything. Other thing I forgot. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up, do you like this video? And see you in my next video. Bye!